What's up, mechanics? Happy Tuesday. We have a special episode because we're doing Piper's Pick today for our giveaway of the month.
Last Tuesday of the month, baby.
Yes, and we have a couple different things that we want to talk about, different topics. One of them is American-made products because we do have them. And we have a whole section on our website that you can find all of the stuff that is American-made. We have, limited stock, but it is there if you want to go check it out. This is just a few of them. So
for all of you who do love our products, there are a select few of you who do hate the fact that they're made overseas. And for those of you who are feeling that way, we do have an American-made section of our website, like you said. You can go there, check out all the American-made products we do still have, because we do still have inventory from when we did make them in-house, because they didn't sell that great because of price point. But we have them there. They're at a discount now because we have the overstock. You're more than welcome to go check them out.
Yeah, we've said a few times that we used to manufacture a lot more in-house, and we only make some specialty stuff still. So this is what we have. Go check it out on the website. Okay, that's that. Second off, we have some stuff related to firearms, and I don't think we've shown this before, but this is our gun cleaning kit.
Why'd you say it like such a mom?
Well, I said that because
We have some stuff related to
I was a little hesitant because I know YouTube
firearms.
YouTube likes to listen, and they'll grab words and be like, oh, and then shadow ban us.
Okay.
I don't want to be shadow banned. Okay. Squirt guns. Squirt gun cleaner. And you have pretty much everything you need here. So the part number on this is GCK 100, and it comes in this nice pouch.
This is a pretty neat one. So there are a select few people who we've seen that are actually, as Michael said, firearm distributors here in Tampa, and they have seen a couple of these and asked if they could buy these to distribute in their local shops, and they have. They sell pretty well to those, but we have them, and the tool industry, I guess, doesn't know about it, but we got them. Check them out. If you're an enthusiast, you want to clean your guns, boom.
We've shown our gun holder, the magnetic gun holder.
There's specs
before.
on the website, right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, there should be specs for that on the website, so you can see all the fitments and what they work on.
Yeah. So we've shown our gun holder before, which is the CMH4, and it has that rubber coating.
That's a 45-pound magnet. The strong son will be.
It's crazy strong. When we go to expos, we actually stick it on a toolbox, and we tell people, if you can pull that off with your hand, we'll give you a free shirt and a hat.
The secret is, we give it to them anyways.
You can't pull it off. It's that strong. But something we found with our can holder, because it's rounded or it's curved, this actually works pretty well for
rounded
barrels. It doesn't have the cover, but a lot of people have said that they use it for that.
And a lot of dealers have sold even more of them for guns than they have for actual cans. So,
there you go.
Bada boom.
Bam. Your Glock have a rounded? No, Glocks are flat.
Yeah, CMH4s for the Glock. A lot of Berettas have rounded barrels. You use that for.
What about the SMP?
The shields?
Yeah, the shield.
The shields are also flat.
Yeah. Okay. I have one. I don't know why. I can't remember. Okay, so that's that. Now, we have some stuff that is going to be in stock around the time this video airs, because we're doing this a week ahead. So, we showed these on prototypes and puppies.
On prototypes and puppies.
You showed the camera fit there. This is a Master XZN set.
Big old triple square set for Triple Square Tuesday.
Even though these are satin finished, these are impact rated. So you can use this with hand, or you can use this on impact. They're made from S2 steel, and these are very, very high quality.
They're strong. They're
XZN drivers. So it goes from 4 all the way up to 18.
Put them puppies to the test. Let us know.
And you also have some tamper-proof ones in here. I think only the 14, 16, and 18 are tamper-proof. Of the short ones, the longer ones are not.
There you go. And that's our XZNMS 26. 26-piece Master triple square set. Yep. Now, we do have some of the oldies that we already showed, so I'm just going to show them one more time to show you that they're in stock. XZNS 1000A. Boom, boom. You see all the sizes here. And then we have the long version, which is the XZNS 400A. Boom. This is also in stock. So these guys are in stock. We talked about them already. I'm not going to waste your time. These are now in stock. One thing I did not mention before is the XZNS 412, which was a it was a 6-piece stubby quarter drive triple square driver set. It is now an 8-piece. So we added the 7 and the 9. XZN 7 and 9. Comes on this powder-coated blue mag rail. These are now in stock. Brand new, well, revamped, ready to go. Check them out, buy them, ask your tool dealer. We got them. Now, last but not least, I want to show you guys a new set that we haven't talked about yet, but that creeped up on us a little bit, and it's actually ready before we thought it would be. These should be here this week, if not the beginning of next. Start putting your orders in, let your tool dealers know. IRS 100. Oh. Ratcheting, screwdriver, and bit driver kit. So here, you're gonna have the ratcheting bit driver, right? You got the magnetic bit driver right there, all the bits, boom, boom, boom. You can use these. You have your Torx, hex, flats, Phillips, and Torx Plus. Now the trick is that this comes off, and now this little guy is a mini bit driver, but also will work with all of the attachments here. You have Torx, you have the more popular Torxes in the long version, in case you need a long one. You also have one I believe this is S2, right? They're Phillips 2. This is a Phillips number 2. Boom. You also have that included in the set. So the Torx 20, the Torx 30, the Torx 15, the bit driving magnetic one, and the Phillips number 2, along with all these bits. And this little guy right here, a lot of people don't know what this is for. This goes on to any of the actual blades, and now it becomes magnetic. So it magnetizes all these guys so you can use them easily, and it also demagnetizes them.
It also just auto adjusts, so different size shanks.
Exactly. So since it's spring loaded, this is a bigger shank. This one's smaller, fits either one.
Yep.
Just like that. Pretty useful little tool.
And you can actually like put this up at the tip right there, so that when you are trying to get onto a screw, the screw head actually sits flat on it. And so it's very strong when you do it that way, but it's even strong back here.
There you go. And also, I mean, obviously it's an off use. It's not made for that. But if you really wanted to stick a little bit in here and use a little mini screwdriver, you could. I wouldn't recommend doing that,
finger
but
driver.
You could. That little guy by itself is the MBH.
Yeah.
It goes right there. And this guy, I love these things, man. They're pretty neat. These little ratchet screwdrivers. Reversible. Also locking. So if you want just a regular non-ratcheting, you got that too.
I like the grip on that thing.
This is the IRS 100, guys. Check them out. Ask your local tool dealer. They are available in stock. Well, about to be in stock. Order them before they run out.
The reason we included all these was because these are the most popular sizes.
Yeah, and they're longer too.
Well, and they're thinner at the top than this bit holder. So you have a little bit thinner shank with all the popular sizes.
More popular Torx. And obviously the number 2 Phillips, which is always popular. But it comes in this case here. Boom, boom. Neat, ready to go. Check them out. All right, I think that is all we have for today.
No, we don't.
No, we don't.
Piper's
We have
Pick.
Piper's Pick. Told you, stop bullshitting me.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, we had 449 entries this month. So now it's just up to Piper
To pick the winners. Come on,
pick the winner.
Pick.
Pipe, come on.
Button.
Paul. Come on, Paul.
1, 6. No, one more, Piper. One
Pipe,
more.
come on.
Six. Come on.
One more.
Paul,
Pick one more, girl. Come on. 167.
Okay, 167.
167. Let's see who that was.
Your butt on my face.
That was.
Go.
Wish I was _Billy.
Well,
All right.
Mr.
Wish you were Billy. Congratulations. We're going to be reaching out to you on Instagram,
And you're going to
Pretty
get a
soon.
nice little care package from us.
and you'll get the mystery box.
Enjoy it, buddy.
All right, guys. That's all we have for today. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and here on
All
YouTube.
the social medias. You're going to see some pretty cool content. You know,
And-
we've been ramping it up.
And ask some questions so that we can do a Q&A next episode.
Wow.
Thanks for tuning in. Peace.
Peace out.